How to install Windsurf AI on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official Windsurf website. Next, click Download. Once the installer finishes downloading, double-click the setup file to begin the installation. If Windows displays a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement, choosing your installation location if you want to change it, and click Install. Wait a few moments while Windsurf installs on your computer. When the installation is complete, the first time you open it, sign into your Windsurf account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. You can also import your settings from Visual Studio Code or Cursor if you previously used those editors. Finally, click File or open an existing folder and start coding with Windsurf's built-in AI features. That's it. You've successfully installed Windsurf AI on Windows. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI coding tutorials, programming tips, and easy tech guides.